Yo, it's Mr.O, and I seem energetic, but I haven't really woken up, yo. I just woke up. I put on my hat so I can show you I'm Mr.O, the hip hop teacher. You know what I mean? But yeah. So like when I used to party at the clubs in New York and New Jersey, like every weekend, hip hop, you don't stop, even house music. Give me that house, doom, doom, doom music, right? I used to party, me and my crew. In the mornings, this is how I feel. Ooh. And I realized coffee and orange juice would perk me up. You know what I mean? And a little good breakfast. Now, my people went out to the store. I ain't gonna say no names. No, it's not their fault. They couldn't find my uncured turkey bacon, right? So I like that with my eggs, because I like to make cheese eggs. Now, I know everybody can't eat everything and all of that. They say everything is bad for you. But certain things just work for me. Because before I go cut that grass, I need something in my belly. My belly. All right? So I want to show you how I make oatmeal. There's a lot of instant oatmeal. Just add water. It's really all the same. So, and then my oatmeal, I want some coffee. I want some orange juice. And I'm going to show you what I do with my oatmeal. Ooh, I just remembered something I put in my oatmeal. But you make your oatmeal any way you want. If you like bananas, you put a little bananas. Put little bananas in there. I put blueberries in there. I put agave in my oatmeal. And I got this allspice that I just remembered. I got allspice, simply organic. So I do try to do organic. I try to use organic products as much as possible. From my eggs, my fish, no matter what it is, I try to do organic. Okay? So there's a lot. It seems like I thought I was just gonna say, I'll teach you how to make oatmeal. You just take oatmeal and you put it in water, put water in the pot, put some oatmeal in there, turn on the heat. It's a little harder than that. I mean, to show you all the stuff, you know, all the little intricacies that go in and stuff, okay? But oatmeal is pretty simple. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I got a little itty bitty pot, right? But I'm gonna make a little bit more just in case Uncle Phil wants some or my son Sammy wants some, okay? And I gotta turn on, I'm gonna turn on the little part in the back. I'm gonna turn on a little part in the back. Put it on high at first just to get the water to start boiling. What water? The water that I already poured in my cup. So we're gonna have 1 cup of water. See that? It says Mr. Right. I wonder who that is. Mr. Right. Somebody bought me that. I didn't buy it for myself, okay? I'm not that arrogant or confident or whatever you want to call it. I'm humble. All right. So we had that, right? Now, I'm going to say approximately 1/4 of a cup for me. Now, if I want a little bit more, in case Uncle Phil wants some or somebody wants some, I'll pour a little bit more. All right. Now, I did find the butter. You could put a little butter in there right now, or you could put olive oil, avocado oil. We do have butter, but it's frozen. I forgot to take it out the freezer. We got a lot of butter that's frozen. It's good because, you know, I don't like to use a lot of butter because they say it causes cholesterol if you eat too much butter. You know, so the best thing to do anyway with any foods, any fattening foods, is to work out. You know, if you work out a lot, you will burn it. But I don't like to, like for instance, and I'm going to digress right here. I don't like going to bed after I have fried food, like fried chicken, which I hardly eat. That's cooking quickly, you hear that? Sounds like popcorn. So before I go to bed, right, who wants like you're sitting down, you're watching the game or you're watching a movie, eating fried stuff, you know, fattening stuff, especially fried, because I think this stuff is going to clog my arteries and I'm going to go to sleep and it's going to clog my arteries. I don't want to play with that, man. No, not the kid. Not the kitty from the city, baby. All right. Now, so that's being done. I just have to show you my son. I love him. But check it out. This is my son. My favorite cereal. I haven't eaten this cereal in almost a year. Why? because I OD on it, overdose on the cereal. This cereal is coconut, organic, and it has granola in it. Oh my God. I could eat like 8 bowls of this cereal. And I looked in the pantry because he went shopping and he had 2 boxes. I'm not gonna eat it. I just wanted to show you temptation. You know, you got a little angel on his shoulder and a little devil on his shoulder. And the angel's like, eat it, eat it, eat it. You can always get some more. He won't be mad. And then the angel's like, nah, man, chill, bro. Eat your oatmeal. It's better for you. You got to go to the gym later. You know what I'm saying? Like that. So that's what's happening. I'm not going to eat it. I'm not going to eat it. I promise. All right. When I finish my oatmeal, I'm also going to put a little agave cereal. It's not syrup. It's agave nectar. I don't know if they call it juice. I don't know. It's agave. It's a liquid. And it's very good for you. They say it's better than sugar. It's better than syrup. Honey is probably on par with honey. I like honey in my stuff too. On my pancakes, which I try not to eat a lot either, but I'm going to keep it real. And I can be like, I only eat grass. I'm a vegetarian and all of that. I'm only Greenpeace organic. I'm not going to do all that because most people probably slip in the back. And, you know what I'm saying? I don't eat pork though. I don't eat pork. And I try not to eat too much red meat. But don't give me oxtails or beef ribs because even if I'm trying to be a vegan and I smell that, I see it. Okay, so as long as it's not in my environment, I'm good. But I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly. Okay, all right. Now, all right. I think I got everything for that. I was gonna do eggs too. Maybe I'll do eggs later because we'll be here all day if I go for eggs. Not really, because eggs cook quickly. Okay, did I bring eggs out? I'm gonna bring the eggs out. Now, I told them to buy organic, farm-raised eggs with no this and no that and all the special, organic attributes. But I think they got kind of regular eggs, So I could just make 2 eggs for myself, and I like cheese on it. Delicious, I like cheese. I used to put cheese on everything. Let me tell you, I'm digressing. This is called the Mr.O Cooking Show. The digression, the digression series or something like that. Because I am digressing. I'm all over the place right now. But I told you I just woke up. Wow, we're already at 8 minutes. This is ridiculous. Okay, well, anywho, it's okay. You got time, right? If you want to learn how to make oatmeal. Oatmeal is being made right now. It's being cooked. So we're almost finished. Now, eggs. Okay. Let's see. I need a whole nother pan for that. And I'll make 7 because there's 3 men that want to eat eggs probably when I make them. So 3 times 2 is 6. We don't all want 2 eggs. I want 2 eggs. So I'll make 9 eggs just in case. 3 times 3 is what? 9. So I'm going to make 9 eggs. Okay. Ooh, but I need that butter. I'm not gonna make 9 eggs. We'll do eggs next time, okay? Because I gotta get the butter out on because I confess I forgot to write on my grocery list avocado oil or olive oil, which I like, and then we'd have to do butter, which I don't want to put because the eggs have cholesterol and butter has cholesterol. So I don't want too much cholesterol, too much fat, okay? It's not good for the heart, okay? Matter of fact, I gotta take my vitamins, so I'll hook y'all up with that one day too. That's good. Maybe I'll do that next. The vitamin show. All right. But anyway, yeah. So I'm not gonna get all into my coffee today because coffee is easy to make, especially instant coffee. It's kind of like just mix it up. Hot water, coffee, put what you want in it. You know what I'm saying? Some put sugar. Some put natural sweeteners. Some put honey. Some put agave. Some put milk. Some put half and half. So coffee is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I'm not gonna do coffee today. But let me know. Okay. Now that is percolating. Time for the percolator. It's time for the percolator. Excuse me. That the oatmeal is percolating the water in the oatmeal. All right. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. Let me see if I can show you the oatmeal. And then I'm gonna hook it up though. I'm gonna hook it up. Some say oatmeal. Well, I'm Mr.O. Some call me Mr. Oats. Do you see that? So I gotta stir it up a little bit, and Then, like I said, I'll just show you. Well, yeah. Let's see. Stir it up, baby. Yeah, baby. Stir it up. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. I say this kind of oatmeal, this isn't the instant oatmeal. This is the raw oatmeal. So the steel cut. So it's better for you, they say. It's really not tampered with, so much. So when it's done, I'm just gonna show you and we're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna put some allspice in it. Allspice in it. Allspice has 2 spices. I don't even forget the spices, but they're good. I think one is, I can't see, I got my glasses. But it's allspice, called allspice. They got 2 of my favorite, which I can't even remember at the moment because I told you I just woke up. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I love blueberries. I'm gonna put some blueberries in my oatmeal. And so this oatmeal probably altogether took us about 7 minutes to make because I didn't make it right away, so I'm making it. Well, I'll say, 7, 8 minutes, really getting thick now. That's all you do. You make it, you cook it until it starts getting thick. The thickness that you prefer, okay? I prefer it kind of thick, not totally thick like a salad. I like it a little liquid, a little moist, right? But I like it a little crunchy too. So, yeah, I'm gonna put agave, and then I got banana. I'm gonna cut up the banana and put a little banana in there, okay? And banana and oatmeal with blueberries. I might have some raspberries in it too. And then I'll get my coffee and my orange juice. Oh. And then I'll show you later when I'm outside, because I gotta do part 2 for the mowing the grass segment, okay? Now this has vitamin C, orange juice, right? It has a lot of sugar too, natural sugar. Orange juice, but it has vitamin C that perks you up. And this has potassium. All good, baby, before I even take my vitamins, which are in there. Hey, yo. All right. So, yeah, this oatmeal's looking good, baby. Oops. It's supposed to be on the floor. You gotta figure it out. I told you it's morning. I just woke up. What do you want from me? No, I'm glad you're learning, so I gotta clean that up. So, in conclusion, with Mr.O's cooking show, when you wake up in the morning, you could cook oatmeal. And if you want some later, it doesn't have a lot of calories or sugar unless you put it in there, okay? So, 1 cup of water, and depends on how many people you're cooking for. You put your oatmeal in there. You bring it to a boil. I had it on high. I never turned it down, but it worked this time. Now I just turned it down. It's percolating. And I'm ready to go. So I'll see you later, yo. Now you know how to make oatmeal with Mr.O. Thank you for checking out my cooking show. And I'll see you later, yo, because the grass is high and I got to make it low. Okay? Peace.